Okay, I'm going to start a new piece. I've already made my frame. I've already got the backing board on it. So what I'm going to do, put a piece of fabric down, lay that into the recessed area. Into my clay. Cut off a piece that hopefully we'll do that all in one solid piece. A nice big chunk of clay. Okay, I've got it on the slab roller here, which of course isn't going to roll out anything that thick. I'm not too lazy to do it in stages, so I will just pound it down. Okay, you're ready to roll it. A nice big slab of clay. Of course, it's not going to be enough to fit. This doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just cutting the edge a little bit straighter than what it is. I know it's going to roll out. Now, normally what I just did, picked up this piece of clay like this. If you weren't doing this the way I'm doing it, you'd never want to do that because it stretches it out. And clay has a memory, and that would just be all out of shape. Way of handling it if you're going to do something else with it. And now I'm just going to trim it to fit. And this one almost fits in there without me adding to it. Now if I wanted to do this bigger, I would roll out several different slabs and then piece them together. I can go pretty large with this. I can go as big as I want. Unfortunately, they get extremely heavy when I get really big. And then going old school here. Now this is why it's okay to lift it up and stretch it out because it gets rolled back down. And this is going to give it a nice snug fit into the recessed area. Makes it kind of hard to get it out, especially if it goes under the, this is old tongue and groove, and if it goes under the groove, or the tongue rather, on this bead board, it gets jammed up in there, can't get it back out. And this will actually have maybe 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch of room after it's fired because the clay's going to shrink. That's pretty much how I get started. And then my image that's going to be in here, this is going to be a little pig. That's my reference photo there. I'm just going to draw out my little pig there, and I'm going to cut it in sections. I'm going to draw out the pig, I'm going to sculpt it. And that's what these pieces are for, to sculpt the piece. And now I'm ready.
Start.